In my PhD research, I use the online NBA fan communities.
Gender bias is an uncomfortable truth in our society.
Cost rather than quality drives the selection in more than 80% of the cases.
Higher temperatures lead to increased rates of crime. But why?
These algorithms, they play an important role in making certain people famous.
I'm fascinated by creating these environments that reset and re-energize the mind and body.
This changes polar weather, US-Russia relations.
I honestly fell in love with coding for space.
Why is cellular division so robust? And what can cause it to go wrong?
All we need to do math is chalk. We're going to start with the People's Choice Award, Jocelyn Arms. Our second place, Jason Zhang. And our winner, Adam Lansing.